Hello friends, in this video I'm going to work with edit and delete casts. So if I click here to the edit, we have the method edit in the cast controller does not exist, so we need to go and create that. Open the cast controller in the VS Code, and here I'm going to create the method with name edit, and we accept the cast here, so cast $cast, and I'm going to return inertia render casts / edit. We don't have that, we need to create, and also we need to add here the cast, which is the cast we accept. Okay, save. Now go inside the cast page and create new file with name edit.vue. I'm going to copy what we have in the index, so select all and paste it here. And make some changes in the header, say cast edit. Now here we don't need the form, but we need the link to go back to the cast index, and also remove the justify end. We don't need this div also. Come here and copy that link. So I'm going to copy this one and paste it right here. And I'm going to say, go to the cast index. Okay, and say cast index. Okay, now with the table we don't need, the pagination also don't need. Here we need the form. So form here. Oh, so we don't need the pagination, so remove that. The inertia, remove. We have the cast object for props. Remove the search, also the watch, also the get cast, and also the all of them. Just leave it like it is right now and save. Go back, refresh. Now go to the edit, and yeah, here we are. And maybe where is the link we have here? We have padding 2 and padding 6 here, and large. I don't want this, so remove this and save. Come here and refresh. Okay. Margin bottom. Okay, so leave that as it is now, and here we need to add the form. Now, if you go inside the JetStream folder, you see we have a input error and label component, also form section, and in the auth register view, if you see here, we have this form, and we have the jet label and the input jet input. Okay, so I'm going to copy this form here and go to the edit and paste right here. Also, we need to import the get label, get input, and the get button. So copy them and paste it here. Just the checkbox, we don't need that. Save and come here and refresh. We have errors because we don't have this form right now, so come here and fix that. We need the name, okay, and we need the poster path. So poster path here and poster path like this, and the value is going to be poster. Copy and say ID here. Type is going to be text, and the form is going to be poster path. Remove this one, also this one, also this, also the link here, and leave only the button and say update. Okay, hit save. Now one more thing here, we need to create a form, and when we import the link from the Inertia Vue 3, also import the use form, and down there create a constant for form and use form, and here say name is the props dot cast dot name, and also the poster path props dot cast dot poster path. Save and come here and refresh now. And yeah, just one more thing. When we have a form here, I'm going to add a padding of 6. Save and refresh. That's okay. Now if you like as it is right now, okay, or we can add one more thing here and say small max width is going to be MD. Save, and for the last time, yeah, I think it's okay now. We have the update. Now the form on the submit, we say submit here, and I'm going to say submit cast and copy this, come down there and save function with that name, and I'm going to say form dot put, and the URL is admin slash casts, and we need to add the cast ID. So props dot cast dot ID and 1. Okay, save. Now go to the cast controller and create the update method. So function update, and here we accept the cast $sign cast, and I'm going to say here the validated is going to be the request validate, and what we have a name, which is going to be required, and the poster path, poster path, the same thing is going to be required. And with that now, $cast update the validated, and if everything is okay, copy and paste that one, return redirect to the route, and the route is admin cast index with flash banner cast updated. And for that, to update also the slug, I have created, if I open the cast model, I have created this method set name attribute and add the value, and then the slug here we create str slug and this value of the name. Okay, so go and try now. Come here, refresh. Yeah, if I say Tom Holland updated, click update, nothing happened. And go and check again, submit cast form. So where is the problem? Update. Form name and form poster path. Okay, refresh again. Inspect element now, and we're going to see what we have. Clean, update. Okay, now read properties of undefined props. Not this prop, so props cast ID, and save this. Close this one, refresh, and say updated, click update, and now we updated the name and also the slug based on the name. And I'm going to also check for validation, and the edit, I'm going to add also the validated. So in the jet stream, we have this input error. Okay, I'm going to input error accept the message. Okay, so if you go to the inertia, and we have this v if the form has errors for the same one, or I'm going to add just like this. So copy and come here. After the input for the poster path, paste that in and say for the poster path, copy also and add it here for the name. And save. Go here, refresh, go to the edit, and if I remove this and say update, also we need to remove this required for HTML validation, and refresh, remove, click update, and we have the name field is required. What we can do here in the div, I'm going to add a class and text small and text red 400. The same thing here. Save and refresh again. Remove the name. Click update and we have the name field is required. Refresh. Remove this one. Update and also required. Update now. We have the poster path field is required and the name field is required. Okay, so the validation work. And also I'm going to change this back and click update now. And yeah, we updated the name. Okay, now the edit, the delete. Go to the class controller and create the method. So function destroy, and we have the cast here, $cast, and say $cast delete and return. Now we need to return back. Okay, copy that and paste it here. Return back with the message cast deleted. Save, go back and refresh. Now if I delete the Tom Holland, yeah, cast deleted. Okay, close this one, delete another one, and cast deleted. Okay friends, that's it for this video now. See you in the next one. All the best.